Hello guys, welcome. In today's video we are going to learn about max and min function in Python programming language. So for this I am going to create a list called list1 and I am going to insert some numbers, suppose 1, 20 and 77. So this list contains 3 random numbers. So if I want to extract the greater value from list 1, so I can use the max function. So I can print max and list 1. So as you can see, if I run this program, you can see the greater value from the list 1 is appearing at the output. So what if I want the lowest value from the list 1? So I can use the min function. So as I again run this program, you can see 1 is appearing at the output. So how can we use maximum and minimum function in our program? So for this, let's consider an example. I am going to create a program in which we pass a list through a function and the output is the difference of its maximum and minimum value. Alright, now example program. Right, so list 1 is again is our augmented list this time. So I am going to insert 1, 4 and 88. So this is our augmented list. Now the name of the function is, we can say that, difference. Alright, now it takes list as an argument, that is why we are giving L as an augmented list. So we can directly return here by using maximum of augmented variable minus minimum of augmented variable. So and then I can call my function print difference and list1. So as you can see, if I run this program, you can see here the difference. The maximum number we have here is 88 and the minimum number we have in list 1 is 1. So the difference of maximum and minimum number is 87. So you can see 87 is appearing at the output. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you very much for watching.